look at the river today. Guys, this is the Grand River, and it is mighty grand right now. Just had a big rainfall, you know, melted away all the snow. You know how weather works. You got to be careful along here along the shores. This is like a warning for people. You don't want to get too close. You think you can surf the river? There's some good waves in there. I don't know, maybe like a wetsuit, like a tube, nice thick tube that won't pop. Yeah, I don't see a way how you would stop though until you like hit the ice wall in Brantford. I don't know if you saw what's going on in Brantford. It's crazy. You could ride one of those. Just hop on top, tie a few together, make yourself a raft. You can just roll down the river like Huckleberry Finn. I'm Canadian, so I'm not sure what that story is about. What? Hey, buddy. Huge ice block. See, the Grand River is past there, but it tried to flood this valley. All this ice. It's built up. It looks so nice. It's under so much pressure right now, too. It could just burst. So I just had a really cool beaver experience. I've never really gotten that close to a beaver before. I think I was well camouflaged in my beige jacket. This thing had a few holes up and down the shoreline, and it would just pop up every once in a while. Get a breath of fresh air. I love beavers. I had to follow this thing. I saw it swimming under the ice. I had to chase it, turn my camera on, get in position just before it popped up. It was cool, man. These are cool animals.